Hi kids! Let's learn writing today. Are you ready? Let's start. Let's write A. This is A. B. Let's write B. This is B. C. Let's write C. This is C. D. Let's write D. This is D. E. Let's write E. This is E. F. Let's write F. This is F. G. Let's write G. This is G. H. Let's write H. This is H. I. Let's write I. This is I. J. Let's write J. This is J. K. Let's write K. This is K. L. Let's write L. This is L. M. Let's write M. This is M. N. Let's write N. This is N. O. Let's write O. This is O. P. Let's write P. This is P. Q. Let's write Q. This is Q. R. Let's write R. This is R. S. Let's write S. This is S. T. Let's write T. This is T. U. Let's write U. This is U. V. Let's write V. This is V. W. Let's write W. This is W. X. Let's write X. This is X. Y. Let's write Y. This is Y. Z. Let's write Z. This is Z. Yay! You did it! Great job, kids! Keep practicing and have fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and learning. Goodbye.